Hello students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are safe at home. So students, welcome back to our IT section, Standard 2nd, Chapter 7, Paint, More Tools of Toolbox. In previous chapter, we had learned how to open Paint program and how to save the file. Now, in this chapter, we will learn about the various tools in the paint window and the different functions they can perform in the drawing area. So, when you open a new file, then by default the pencil tool is selected. It is already selected. First is a pencil tool. Function. This tool is used for drawing in freehand. Step 1. Open a paint window and click on the pencil tool. One can select a color from the color box to get a line in color. Step 2. Click the left mouse button. Step 3. Bring the mouse pointer into the drawing area. Step 4. Click and drag the computer mouse to draw an object. Example, flowers, mountain, etc. Step 5. Select the different colors from the color box and draw different objects with pencil tool. Next is the brush tool. Function. It is used for drawing objects with thick lines. The brush tool is like a pencil tool. However, it has some extra features like shape and size, which can be modified. Brush tools are square, round, and slanted in shape, which are available in the toolbox. Step 1. Select the brush tool by left clicking on it. Step 2. Select the shape and size from the option. Step 3. The mouse pointer will change to selected shape. And step 4. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area and draw the object as required. Next, Airbrush tool. Function. The airbrush tool is used to spray different colors on the drawing in the drawing area. Step 1. Select the airbrush tool from brushes on the ribbon by left clicking on it. Step 2. Bring the mouse pointer inside the drawing area. Step 3. The mouse pointer will change to airbrush sign. Step 4. Then select the size of the spray. And step 5. Press and drag the mouse pointer where the color is to be filled. Next is a text tool. Function. The text tool is used to write text in the drawing area. Step 1. Select the text tool from the toolbox. Step 2. Drag the mouse pointer on the screen to create a dotted frame, and a blinking cursor appears in it. This is called a text frame. Step 3. Before typing the text, select the font style or size of the text. Step 4. The text can be typed in the text frame. Step 5. When the typing of the text is finished, click outside to make the text permanent. Remember one thing, the text font, size and style cannot be changed after typing if the mouse is clicked outside. Understood? Next is a eraser tool. Function. The eraser tool is used to erase part of the drawing or erase it completely. Step 1. Select the eraser tool by left clicking on it. Step 2. Bring the mouse pointer in the drawing area. Step 3. The mouse pointer will change to eraser sign. Step 4. Click and drag the mouse over the part which is to be eraser. Next is a rectangle tool. Function. The rectangle tool is used to draw boxes. Step 1. Select the tool, rectangle tool, by left clicking on it. Step 2. Bring the mouse pointer inside the portion called the drawing area. Step 3. The mouse pointer will change to this side. Step 4. Click and drag the mouse pointer diagonally where one needs to draw a rectangle and release the mouse where you want the rectangle to close. Step 5. Left click and make the rectangle of the required size. Next is a rounded rectangle tool. Function. A rounded rectangle tool, like a rectangle tool, draws the boxes of different size and type. The difference between rounded rectangle tool and rectangle tool is that only the rounded rectangle tool can draw the boxes with rounded corners. Step 1. Select the rounded rectangle tool by left clicking on it. Remember one thing, if you want to draw a square box, hold the shift key while drawing on the screen. Understood? Next is a ellipse or oval tool. Function. Ellipse or oval tool is used to draw oval shapes or circles on the portion of the drawing area. Step 1. Open a paint window and click on the ellipse tool. Step 2. Bring the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Step 3. The mouse pointer will change to this sign. Step 4. Left click on the drawing area and drag the mouse pointer diagonally where one needs to draw oval. To draw the perfect circle, hold the shift key while the drawing on the screen. Next is a line tool. Function. This tool is used for drawing straight lines with different thickness. Step 1. Select the line tool by left clicking on it. Step 2. The mouse pointer will change to this sign on the drawing area. Step 3. One can draw lines in different colors and thickness by clicking and dragging of the mouse. Step 4. One can hold the shift key while drawing to get a straight line. Next, fill with color. Function. Color tool helps to fill the color in the enclosed shape. Step 1. Select the color tool. Fill color tool by left clicking on it. Step 2. Bring the mouse pointer inside the drawing area. Step 3. The mouse pointer will change to fill color to sign. Step 4. Select the two colors that you want to fill in the object. Step 5. Left click on the object to be colored. The color 1 option will be filled in. Step 6. Right click on the object to be colored. The color 2 option will be filled in. So you can take the mouse pointer in any enclosed picture and click to fill in the selected color. Select the color tool to fill brown color in the mountains. Whatever you want, select. Then left click and observe that the color has filled in the entire screen. The reason is the same that your picture of the mountains was not enclosed properly. So use the brush tool to close the gaps. Understood? Now use fill color to fill the proper color in the picture. So students, everyone have understood this chapter, paint more tools of toolbox. So now tell me the different tools of paint program. Yes, first is a pencil tool. Second, brush tool. Third, airbrush tool. Fourth, text tool. Fifth, eraser tool. Sixth, rectangle tool. 7. Rounded rectangle tool. 8. Ellipse or oval tool. 9. Line tool. And 10. Fill with color tool. So students, I hope everyone have understood this chapter, paint more tools of toolbox. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.